So our next speaker is from India, Mr. Amujuri Viswanath, teacher, educationist, trainer, STEM expert, social activist, journalist, and astronomer. And he will be discussing about Sustainable Development Goals 6 and 13, clean water and sanitation, as well as climate action. So over to you, Mr. Amujuri. The floor is yours.
Oh, okay. Well, very warm good evening and good morning and good afternoon across the globe. I'm very thankful to inviting me as a guest speaker to discuss on action for taking on sustainable development goals, which is today's international conference being organized by Youth Diplomacy Forum, Pakistan. I'm very especially thankful to organizer, friend Musawar Tanoli and Rani Alampu for inviting me as a guest speaker. Before start, SDG Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, and SDG 13, Climate Action, we have to know what are the SDG goals and what is SDG agenda. SDG sustainability goals are goals to fulfill and provide quality of life on our Earth planet. SDG goals are 17 to take actions. These were set up by United Nations in 2015 to give quality and actionable life to all on our Earth planet. There are 17 goals. Among them, I am very happy to present, say, few points on SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, and SDG goal 13, climate action. What is SDG goal 6, clean water and sanitation? While substantial progress has been made in increasing access to clean drinking water and sanitation, billions of people, mostly in rural and as well as urban, still lack these basic services for drinking purpose or another utilization purpose, including sanitation aspects. Worldwide, one and many reasons behind this. 1 in the 3 people do not have access to safe drinking water. 2 out of 5 people do not have basic and hand washing facilities with soap and water. Not only these percentages, around the world, 673 million people still practice often for defecation. At the pandemic situation of COVID-19, it has demonstrated the critical importance of sanitation, hygiene, and adequate access to the clean water for safe drinking, how it impacts on our health. According to the World Health Organization, hand washing is one of the most effective actions that can we take to reduce the and all the disease and spread of pathogens or prevent the infections, including COVID-19 virus and other diseases. Yet billions of people still lack of safe water. So United Nations initiated a very good program, WASH, that is availability and access of water, sanitation and hygiene. This service is fundamental to fighting the viruses, bacteria and other disease creators that can be helpful for eradication of other diseases. Most probably it will definitely do by all the organizations, including local level bodies to high level organizations. Meanwhile, different organizations, including UNICEF, is also urgently appealing for funding and support to reach more organizations through either financial or either official support to safe drinking and sanitation. This can be helpful to stop that pollution on our Earth planet. Sanitation and safe water, which are also part of the SDGs goal 13 climate actions. However, moreover, more platforms are there in the SDG 13 climate action. Among them, SDG 6 can be included as a sanitation section. For water consumption and conservation of safe drinking water, United Nations declared the Water Action Decade from 2018 to 2028. 14% shortfall of freshwater resources by 2030, coupled with the rising world population, has been world carrying towards a global water crisis. Maybe in future there will be a crisis of water. So we have to come forward to conserve our water through different process like rainwater harvesting and daily water harvesting at our domestic purposes from grassroots level to high level. This is our responsibility to save water resources from pollutants, either man-made pollutants and nature. We should come forward to save our water resources for next generation with clean and sanitized hygiene, including sanitization and water. There are another aspects which are undergo in SDG 13 climate action. Climate change and climate action. These are two different from each other. Climate changes means the imbalance of ecological platform on our planet. Climate actions means we have to take actions. We have to take steps for saving our environment through different actions from grassroots level to higher level.
Mr. Amujuri, sorry to interrupt you, but we can't see you. We can't. Yes, we can see now. But if you can turn on your video, so that we can.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible and you are visible also. So you can continue now.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. So for save our environmental platforms through different actions, United Nations already taken for great initiatives to save our and steps there: plantation, sanitation, and stopping the pollution. So many organizations and different climate warriors are taking initiative to take different actions for eradication of pollution and imbalance on ecological system. Among them, I am introducing another indicator R. Everyone very well known as about 3 R's: recycle, reduce, reuse. I am adding another R, that is repeat action. The fourth one is repeat. We should repeat entire the chain system of 3 R's: recycle, reuse, and reduce again and again process to eradicate to 0% of pollutants or imbalanced ecological factors on our Earth planet. So we have take fourth initiative, that means fourth or repeat action to enter the chain system to balance the ecological factors on our Earth planet. To fulfill the goals of United Nations, global goals, all 17 goals, including sanitation and clean water, SDG 6 and SDG 13, climate actions, we have to come forward and take actions in green initiatives. As a director of Green Care Society India, I am also taking very green initiatives, including our president, founder president, Dr. Vishwanath Panigrahi, green activities across the globe. I am very thankful to today's organizers, especially Youth Diplomacy Forum and Rania Lampu friend, who gave me wonderful opportunity to discuss a few words as per my knowledge at the unique platform in today's international conference on Take Actions on SDGs initiated by Youth Diplomacy Forum Pakistan. I'm very thankful to all organizers and today's distinguished guests across the globe for sharing their views and on single platform across the globe. I'm very thankful. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.